Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing how to cook brown rice easily in pressure cooker. Non-sticky, perfectly cooked brown rice is easy to make in the pressure cooker in just 20 minutes. Brown rice is rich in fiber and the high fiber will help to keep you feel fuller for a longer time, hence ideal to include in your weight loss diet. So let's get started with the recipe. Into a bowl, I'm adding in 1 cup of hand pound brown rice. Brown rice is ideal to include in your weight loss diet since the bran and 40% of the husk is there. Starch won't be much as in polished rice. Brown rice is a good source of folate, potassium and B vitamins. Brown rice is exceptionally high in manganese. The high amount of fiber will help to keep you feel fuller for a longer time, thus it's ideal to include in your weight loss diet. Into this I'm adding in some water. I'm soaking the rice for about 20 to 30 minutes. Now the reason why you need to soak grains like rice is to help release the phytic acid content in them. Phytates or phytic acid are nutrient inhibitors, that is, it may prevent nutrient absorption. So always try to soak grains and then use them. So I'm going to soak it for about 20 to 30 minutes. 20 to 30 minutes later, wash and rinse the rice and keep it on a strainer. I have washed and rinsed the rice and I've kept it on a strainer. Add the washed and rinsed rice into a pressure cooker. Add in 2 cups of water. I measured the water in the same cup in which I measured the rice. Pink Himalayan salt as needed. Give it a quick stir. Cover the pressure cooker. Once steam starts to come through the hob, place the weight on the hob. After the first whistle, reduce the flame to the lowest and let it cook on low flame for exactly 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, turn off the flame and open the cooker only after 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, the pressure has released by itself. I'm opening the pressure cooker. You can see that the rice has cooked perfectly. I'm lightly fluffing the rice with a fork. The rice is perfectly cooked and the best part is the rice is non-sticky. Transfer the cooked brown rice into a bowl. So guys, do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.